Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna make a little painting. My flowers, it's from my garden. They call Nasturtium. I hope I'm pronouncing right. There's yellow, orange, variety colors, so I got those. All right, we'll start. We're gonna put a little bit lens and turp together, which I mix it half and half. Make sure that when you put it, let it absorb and don't let it too heavy, otherwise it's gonna drip. First I'm gonna put a yellow color, so we're gonna do 5 petals. Make sure that you kind of turn it around like this. That's one. They come on top of each other, the flower, the way I see it. That's 2. Make sure you rub the brush well, and that's 3. There you go. And now over here, the way I see it, it kind of folded a little bit because it's on the top. It's goes just like this. And there is another one next to it on top of each other, just like this. Because this is on top of part, so it's kind of folded, bended. So you'll do it just like this, just like a heart, just like a lips or a heart, whichever you think you can say. And inside, of course, we're gonna make it, it's kind of a pale yellow. We'll just cover it just like this. All right, there we go. Let's make this a little bit bigger, there. And let's make a little bit longer so we can see the flower better. Doesn't have to be exact the same shortness or small size. We can make a little bigger so we can see better. We're gonna use the orange color. We're gonna bring it down. You don't go too much down because it looks like it's collecting, just like here. Make sure you turn your brushes like this. Orange again, we'll take it like this. We go around like this. You go around, and you go around this way. There we go. This is how you have to do it, and bring it to a point. Now you have to wipe your brush on a towel. Now in the middle, we're gonna take a little bit red with orange. It has a little bit lines. The flowers are very interesting. Every flower, it has its own character. Wipe your brush. When you see the color is fading away, it's going away, just wipe your brush and start again. Now I'm taking my small brush and taking the red, and I have to soften it and blend it, pushing those reds out. We have to keep a little bit empty over here for yellow color because they look empty inside. Now I want to put a little bit the edges more orange and a little bit red, just to give the flower more character, even though usually that's how they are. But I'm just gonna put just a little bit color on it, which some of them they do have it, but the ones that I picked it up doesn't have. And then you'll take your soft blending brush, and what you do is you just like whisper it. You don't want to show any lines from the top. It doesn't have any lines, not the yellow one, not even an orange one. We'll put red and with crimson. Just like this. See how it's getting over here? Like I took a little bit, there was too heavy color over there. There you go. Here we are. Now in the middle, we're gonna put some little hair. There is in the flowers, there is some little hair it's standing up. So we're gonna do that with white. It goes just like this. Always rest your finger, the pinky, onto the canvas. So what we're going to do, we're going to add more right here. So we want to do just the bottom. We color on top so we can take the whiteness away. Or you can just brush it out, take it away the white, and put back the red color. There you go. There we go. Now we're gonna put a little bit surrounding between them more yellow around here, so it shows the separation. There you go. There we go. It's really beautiful when you paint from the real flower. It's really neat experience. Like I said, I'm self-taught. Just I practiced a lot to get the flowers to do it right. It takes a lot of experience. When you hold the flower like this, which is the top part, I might add a little bit more strong red here or a little bit more orange, and then I'm going to put the leaves come separates like this. We're going to mix a little bit yellow with green, and let's make a little bit kind of the stem, let's say, comes like this. All right, it's a green stem, it is. We'll put it like this, and now the leaves are, which is separate, we'll do it around. You just go and you do it like that. There you go. We'll put green a little bit more. There we go. Let's put another one. Let's make this stem a little bit longer. And put another one around here. Let's see, let's put it here. The lower part. Just go round and round. Now for the stem, it needs a little bit yellow color, which we will take the small brush and we're gonna put white with a little yellow, and we'll have to make it kind of a sharp point they come. Let's go put a little bit white with yellow. I think it will be better with white. From the back, it's kind of sharp. Okay, let's see, the flower shows that separate from the leaves. So what we have to do is, this one we have to leave it green. All right, the leaf is, it has some little vein in it, which is, we have to pull it like this. Here we go. Let's wipe the brush again. And green and white together mixed. And now we have to make a little bit the tail of the flower while we paint it this way. It's kind of stays in the back, but we'll just put a little tail in the back. Yellow and white again we'll take together, and we'll just like a tiny little cone. Wait, maybe we have to mix a little bit more orange so it will show, I guess. Even if you don't put it, it's okay. So we have to mix just a little white. There you go. We'll take the blending brush so we don't want to be harsh. Even this one does a good job. When you put white a little bit, you can wipe with your hands or you can wipe with your, you can use your fingers or anything you want. There you go. I think it's better. There we go. And I think we can just, on a stem, we can do maybe this way to go down. Let's erase this. Here we go. Let me just take the blending brush and bring it, soften it over here and the red part. Here we go. For the leaves, we don't want the harsh color. There you go. Just softer. Let me just put a little bit more white over here. Let me put a little bit more green here. There you go. There we go. You can do that, it's no problem. A little bit more green so it will just cover the stem. There you go. And I hope you try this flower. It's very beautiful flower, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and I thank you. Pick up your from your garden beautiful flowers and try to look at it and do that. Thank you again. Bye bye.